happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Just a day, just another year, good in our eyes, you are the best. Gonna love you above the rest. Oh, oh. May the times always smile on you, may happiness always come your way. We're here to love you, we're here to celebrate your day. Oh yeah. We wish the best for what the best can be. All the best we wish for you, that all your dreams come true. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. The years may come and the years may go, but that won't change what we already know. You're such a great friend, and in my heart your love will grow. Count on us when you're feeling down. In times of trouble we will hold your hand.
Kung ano man lahat ng dreams mo sa family. And andito lang kami lagi ni Marian. Kahit nandito kami sa Singapore, diba dalawin mo kami minsan. Love you, friend. Miss you.
Miss you. Happy birthday.
Diba? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Yuki. Hi, Yuki. Happy birthday. It was nice knowing you. And I'm just hoping that you will be happy on your birthday. Thank you for coming into my close life. Again, happy birthday. You. Surprise. Happy birthday. Ay, mamimiss ko ka. Sana hindi na lang kayo aalis. Remember yung sinabi ni isang customer nyo na hindi naman yung coffee yung pinupuntahan sa inyo, kundi yung tao mismo dyan sa Best Buy. Piling ko mga ngayayot na ako. Sobra kasi mawala kayo. Parang nakakatamad na pumunta. Ganun. Pero dadalayan pa rin kita sa Madrigal. Enjoy mo lahat ng trips niyo. And sana matuloy na yung movie date natin. I love you. Happy birthday. Hello, ate. Happy birthday. Sorry, feeling artista ako. Busy-busy yan. Ako lang yata walang video for you. Saya ako kasi magkakasama na ulit tayo, pero ito nga sasabihin kasi malalaman mo rin naman. Hanggang 15 na lang ako kasi nag-resign na din ako. Yun, see you at the crossroads. And happy birthday. Natalo pa rin naman ako. Happy birthday, ate.
Ayo, happy birthday. Imimuli tayo. Painom ka naman.
Hello, Yuki. Happy birthday. Sana magkasama tayo ulit next time. Pero the first time lang kasama kita, syempre nahihiya ako. Pero okay ka naman kasama. So sana ma-meet ulit kita nang kasama si Mike at saka ingatan mo si Mike. At happy birthday ulit. Good health na lang. That's all. Thank you. Enjoy your birthday. Hi, Yuki. Happy birthday. I am wishing you all the best things in life and hope your day will bring an extra share of all that makes you happy. And may this year you all the best kasi alam ko napaka-hardworking mo and sobrang friendly mo. Nakuha mo agad ang loob namin ng thesis. And sana maging successful ka kasi bata ka pa, tapos marami kang mararating. Stay sweet and always smile. Thank you for being kind sa aming lahat. And thank you for taking care of our princess, si Mike, okay? We love you, Yuki, at sana magkayo na talaga for life. Enjoy your birthday! Happy birthday, Yuki! I wish that for every extra candle on your cake, you receive an extra reason to smile. May God continue to bless you. Happy birthday to you again!
Yuki, Siganto. Happy birthday. Sana makita pa tayo sa last date. Makita talaga. Tapos, wish ko lang sa inyo ni Mike. Sana tumagal pa kayo.
Ay, si Renzo na pala to yung work at Starbucks. By the way, gusto ko lang muna na happy na sa inyo ng part mo. And congrats ka pala. Ayun. And happy birthday pala.
I love you, Yuki! Happy birthday! I hope you enjoy your life and your love life. Hopefully, more blessings to come and more trips to come. Sana isama niyo rin ako ni Mike, ha? Para tayo, mag-bonding tayo. Kahit na malayo, at least nakakapag tayo, kita-kita. Okay, love you, Mama! Hi, Luke. Happy birthday. Sobrang sweet, di ba? Nagulat talaga ako. Nakapagsabi. Pero, thank you for everything. I hope naging masaya ka sa birthday mo and more blessings to come. I love you and I'm always here for you.
Ayu, happy birthday. Sana, magkaroon ng more blessings to come. Saka sana, lalo ka pang gumanda. Saka sana matupad mo na yung pangako maging flight attendant, yung pangarap mo. Tapos, yun lang. Sana maging masaya ka sa love life.
Hi, you! Happy birthday! So, nagulat kami, in-approach kami ni Sir. Special someone mo pala na, yun nga, birthday mo pala. So, happy birthday! So, ma-wish ko lang sa'yo, nasa na yung love life. So, syempre, yung mga travels mo na lang, go mo na. So, kahit short time na tayo nagkakilala, kung lahat ng dreams mo ma-tutupad. So, happy birthday!
Hi, you! Happy birthday! Wini-welcome kita sa Team Madrigal. Alam ko magkakasama na naman tayo ulit. So, in behalf of Team Madrigal, we are very excited to work with you again. And I wish you all the best in your career, in your health. Medyo sakitin ka, alam ko eh. Yun, tapos, basta ingat ka lang palagi and I wish you all the best and ingatan mo yung health mo and enjoy your trip. Yun. Happy birthday and welcome to Team Madrigal.
Hi, you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to me and to you. I love you. God bless always.
Hi, you! Happy birthday! Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo and more blessings to come. Sana makuha mo na yung promotion. Good luck sa work and sa life. Pati sa inyong dalawa. Thank you.
Hi, you! Happy birthday! Hope you have a great year. Happy birthday, God bless. Bye!
Nakakaiyak ko na itong ginawa ni Mike. Dapat maiyak ka. Ayun, sana hindi ka magbabago at saka sana kahit hiwalay tayo. Friends pa rin tayo. Happy birthday!
Hi, Yuki! Happy birthday! Sana ngayong birthday mo, mas happy ka. Alam ko naman happy ka talaga. Wish you all the best in life. And sana yung dream natin magkanada matupad na baby. Nasa always stay humble lang. And lagi ka lang mag-pray. Sana yung patience mo paano palalo sa mga challenging partners, situations, nasa keep up the good work. Yun lang. Thank you!
Happy birthday, Yuki! From Team Backward!
Hi, Eugene! Happy birthday! I'm Rochelle from 161 Starbucks Ayala Center, Cebu. We've just met. However, parang na rin ang love ko sa'yo kasi you've been very friendly. Talagang in-apply mo yung Green Apron behaviors natin na being welcoming, being genuine. So, happy birthday. I wish you all the best in your career, in your health, in everything that you do. Stay happy always and be that good person always. Though masyadong maiksi yung panahon na nagkausap tayo, I feel that you are a very, very good person. Happy birthday.
Hi Yuki, happy birthday! I hope you'll have more birthdays to come and continue to become a blessing to everyone. Have a nice day!
Happy birthday, Yuki, and sana nag-enjoy ka sa tipid trip natin dito sa Cebu, and hopefully makasama ka sa international trips nyo ng millionaire boyfriend mo, si Mike. So, happy birthday, Yuki, and ta-da!
Happy birthday, Yuki, from Rome's Pension House.
Happy birthday, Judy, from Rome's Pension House.
Yay! Yay!
Happy birthday dito. Bibigyan mo kayo dito. Ay, dito magdali. Say happy birthday na. Yung happy birthday. Masasabi ko sa'yo. Ingat ka palagi. Pasalubong ko pag umalis ka. Pati andito lang kami para sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Yuki! Sana lagi kang nasa mabuting kalagayan. Kala malayo no? Pero sana lagi kang good health para kinamama at tatay. Lagi tayo nag-aaway. Yun lang. God bless lagi. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday. Alam ko, 28 ka na nito, October 3 eh. Pag natuloy ka sa Canada, mag-ingat ka na lang doon. Alam mo namang palagi na lang ako nakaano sa iyo eh. Nakasubaybay, di ba? Pati pag-aasikaso sa pagkain mo, damit mo. Alam ko, pag naroon ka na, solo mo na yon, kaya mag-iingat ka na lang doon. Ayusin mo na lang ang trabaho mo doon. Alam ko matutuloy ka eh. Okay sa akin kahit hindi mo makuhanin, basta maano ka lang doon, maayos ka lang doon. Si Mike na lang kunin mo. Para kasama kayo. Diba?
Happy birthday, Yuki. Ito na yung actually reason kung bakit lagi akong minamadaling araw. Kasi ini-edit ko pa yung video na gift ko sa'yo. So, hindi ko na lang binidyo yung sarili ko kasi medyo haggard na yung itsura ko. By the way, I'm happy that umabot tayo ng 1 year, and I hope that it will take long and it will last forever. Basta lagi mo lang natandaan, tsaka lagi kong sinasabi sa'yo na nandito lang ako. Like a married couple, for better or worse, I'm just right here. Handang tumulong sa'yo. And nagpapasalamat ako kasi you're always there for me kahit na medyo mahirap yung work ko, and ikaw yung nag-give-way para tulungan ako physically, and lagi mo lang akong iniintindi kahit na moody ako and laging high blood. Wish ko lang sa'yo na sana like what they said, healthy palagi, and laging makikinig kung ano yung pinapayo ko sa'yo, kung ano yung dapat mong kinakain. And then, career, I think you are successful with your job. Pero, syempre, sometimes, yung kinikita is not enough, so, better to look for, like a greener pasture. Sad to say, not here in the Philippines, pero sa ibang bansa. Sana soon makakuha mo yun. And I think you keep on dreaming, and good thing about you is you try to reach your dream. So, believe ako sa'yo doon. Pero sana, kahit na dapat na hindi maabot, na hindi na kaya, huwag pilitin. And sana din na lagi mo lang tatandaan na kapag may sinasabi ako sa'yo, concerned ako sa'yo. Like, financial responsibility. I hope na you can be wiser and more intelligent in organizing and using your finances or your budget. And basta tatanda mo lang na I'm always here for you, and I will always love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.